And new tonight from our investigators, a flood here in Las Vegas at an apartment complex just off the Strip. It happened this morning near Harmon, not too far from Paradise. Pipes just opened up, and as 8 News Now investigator Kyle Payne tells us, gushed into a number of first-floor apartments.
Rushing water from a fire hydrant at a huge apartment complex not far from the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. Full stream out of this fire hydrant in the parking lot at the East Harmon Apartments. Earlier Friday, it wasn't just the parking lot underwater.
There's part of the water damage already where the drywall.
Barry Hammond's ground-level apartment took on a couple of inches of water when, they say, a contractor caused a flood that lasted 2.5 hours, reminding him of
Noah in the ark.
a biblical flood.
Yeah, biblical flood. Thank you very much.
But before we got to the thank yous, Hammond, who moved in here about 6 weeks ago, just got home from the hospital, now recovering from a broken hip. His dog inside the bedroom, Hammond showed us around his apartment, which he says was up to here in water when the water started to seep in. He opened the door, letting the place flood, and ran across the soaking wet courtyard to get these sandbags. But Barry knew he needed help.
Their maintenance crew started pushing water out and eventually brought in the professionals to do it.
Even the professionals couldn't do much for this bathroom, which was soaked and left covered in this debris and whatever this is, needing to be cleaned up ASAP. Hammond telling the 8 News Now investigators.
Fire department came out, looked everywhere for the shutoff valve. They couldn't find it, and as a result, the water kept spewing.
Hammond says the management company sent them an email confirming there was a flood, but not much else. And before the 8 News Now investigators could get to the management company,
don't record here. This is private property.
the management company got us. This woman, with my business card in hand, throwing us off the property. Hammond trying to tell her he invited us, and the property manager having none of it, leaving Hammond feeling a certain way before our interview ended.
We're kept in the dark, and if we try to ask questions, the manager shuts the door and says, I'm not talking to you.
This afternoon, I asked Clark County about permits and complaints at that complex on Harmon. They did not respond to my email. I asked Clark County Fire for its report on whether they couldn't find the water shutoff. No answer there either. I'm Kyle Payne, 8 News Now.
Now, that apartment complex on East Harmon shows a purchase of June of 2022 for just under $38 million to an LLC in Utah.